Hey buddy, what's this Keep HL Pride Alive thing about?
Hopewell Loudon Schools is asking the voters of the district to renew the current emergency levy, which expires December 2014. This levy generates $570,000 and will renew at 5.24 mils. The levy will run for 5 years, the same length as the expiring levy. Most important is because the levy is being renewed rather than replaced, the tax levy will continue to receive a 10% reduction to the homeowner, and if owner-occupied, the 2.5% owner occupancy tax reduction on the home site, known as the rollback credit. So please vote May 6, 2014. And for more information, go to www.keephlpridealive.com.
Jeez, I didn't know all that. Buddy, you're so smart.
Yes, Victor, I know. That's why I'm a brindle and you're a fawn. That's just crazy. Two talking boxers. This information brought to you by Keep HL Pride Alive Committee. Thomas Weaver, Treasurer.